Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy Alfredo sauce. Start by gathering your simple ingredients for a delicious Alfredo sauce. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of rich heavy cream, and 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a couple of cloves of fresh garlic, along with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These few items are all it takes to create a creamy, restaurant-quality sauce right in your own kitchen. Now let's get cooking. In a large skillet, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to brown the garlic. Next, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and gently bring the mixture to a low simmer, stirring occasionally. This is where the magic happens. Remove your skillet from the heat before you add the cheese. This prevents the cheese from clumping. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, adding it in small batches. Keep stirring continuously until all the cheese is completely melted and incorporated, creating a beautifully smooth and thick sauce. This step is key for that classic Alfredo texture. Almost done. Now it's time to season your perfect Alfredo sauce. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. Your rich, creamy Alfredo sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over hot pasta, chicken, or steamed vegetables for a truly satisfying meal that everyone will love. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.